Can I just submit to you today, saints, that some of you are in your blessed place right there in the pit, right there in the middle of the pit. Some of you would have died if it wasn't for the pit. Remember, Reuben was the firstborn. He was the eldest, and normally the eldest or the oldest would have had the favor of their father upon their lives. But in this case, the first is last and the last is first. Meaning one of the youngest brothers had the favor and the oldest was mad. Out of all the brothers, Joseph and Benjamin was the youngest. And Joseph just so happened to have his favor of his father upon his life. And his brothers wanted to kill him because of that favor. But Reuben suggested that they don't kill him, but rather that they throw Joseph in a pit. So Reuben was there when they put Joseph in the pit. But he was not there when Joseph was lifted out of the pit. The point is, Reuben was surprised. Reuben was shocked because he saw Joseph go into the pit. He saw him struggling and he saw him begging to be delivered out of the pit. But now he's looking into that same pit, expecting to see a pitiful Joseph, expecting to see a Joseph full of fear and full of confusion, full of stress and full of crying and begging, asking to be delivered. But when Reuben looked into that same pit that he helped put Joseph in, Joseph was not there. Can I just tell you this morning that God is getting ready to do something that's going to blow some people's mind. It's going to blow them away. There are some people who saw you go into the pit. There are some people that even helped put you in the pit. And they have watched you struggling, watched you pushing and scratching and crying, trying to climb out of that pit. And where they left you at, you were right there in the pit the last time they saw you. Oh, Lord, and you looked a hot mess. But I came to talk to you. I came to talk to my pitfallers. I came today to tell you that you are about to come out of that pit.